Why do we suddenly get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This sudden contraction makes your vocal cords close quickly, creating the classic hic sound. But what triggers it? Eating too fast, carbonated drinks, laughing hard, swallowing air, spicy foods, sometimes even stress. Hiccups happen because the vagus and phrenic nerves get irritated and send random signals to the diaphragm. Most hiccups stop on their own. Slow breathing, sipping cold water, or holding your breath can help. So the next time you hiccup, remember, your diaphragm just got a little too excited.